Hello everyone, you are here with Neelam Sasani watching English grammar and we are doing parts of speech. In my first part, we have done a noun, then an adjective, a pronoun, verb and an adverb. And today we are going to do what is a preposition, a conjunction and an interjection. So let's start with a preposition. That is sixth one. A preposition. A preposition is a word which shows relationship between two nouns or a noun and a pronoun. Let's do some examples to make you understand. Example, first one. There is a book on a table. Now in this sentence there are two nouns, book and table, and the relationship between these two nouns is shown by the word on, that a book is on a table. So on is a preposition. One more example. A little boy sat under a tree. Now look here, in this sentence we have two nouns, boy and tree, and the relationship between these two nouns is shown by the word under, that boy is under a tree. Okay, so one more, last one. He went behind the school. Now you tell me the two nouns or whether there is a pronoun or a noun in this sentence. Now look at the sentence. He went behind the school. So in this sentence we have one noun and one pronoun. So he is the pronoun and school is the noun. And the relationship between this noun and a pronoun is shown by the word behind. Okay, so the relationship between the pronoun he and the noun school is shown by the word behind, that he went behind the school. So a preposition is a word which shows relationship between two nouns or a noun and a pronoun. Got it? Now let's come to the next part of speech, that is a conjunction. Now what is a conjunction? A conjunction is also called as a joining word. It is called as a joining word as it joins two words or two sentences. Let's take example. Jack and Jill are cousins. Now see, Jack and Jill are two words joined by the word and. So here and is joining two words. So it is called as a conjunction. Okay. Now one more example we'll do. I ran fast. I missed the train. Now look here, these two sentences, I ran fast, I missed the train. These are the two sentences and we are supposed to join these two sentences. So how to do it? If we are told to join two sentences, then how do we do it? So what do? We make use of conjunctions. So let's do it. I ran fast. We'll write like this. I ran fast but missed the train. Okay, so what did we do here? These two sentences we have joined using the word but. I ran fast but missed the train. So the word but, which is used to join two sentences, is a conjunction. So a conjunction is a joining word. It either joins two words or two sentences. Got it? Let's do the last part of speech, that is an interjection. So the last one, an interjection. What do you mean by an interjection? So an interjection is a word which is used to express your sudden feelings or emotion. Like we have oh, then we have hooray, then alas, then we have whoosh. So all these words, they are used to express your sudden feelings or emotions, and they are called as interjections. Let's write them in the form of sentences. Hooray! We have won the match. Okay, and we have to put exclamation mark after the interjection. Next sentence, oh, what a lovely picture. Then last one, alas, he is dead. So now just see, hooray, oh, alas, these are the words which we have used to express sudden feelings or emotions of happiness, excitement or sadness. So these words are called as interjections. Okay, so here we come to an end of all parts of speech. So there are 8 parts of speech which we have completed, namely a noun, an adjective, a pronoun, verb, an adverb, a preposition, a conjunction and an interjection. Queries are most welcome. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.